What up, guys? It's your boy Rish, back again with another video. Yeah, it's the same old TSX shit for now. And winter's coming, so that's another thing. The season's about to be on the standstills, and maybe mid-winter, whatnot, I'll pick up another whip. Different projects and stuff are gonna appear. But that's down the line. Nonetheless, peep the hat, you know, Honda Racing. This is like my favorite hat because this shit is sick. It's a little dingy right now, but yeah, just, I don't know. Did I find this at like thrift store? I think I did. Can't remember. But if you guys have any places to get some nice ass hats or beanies, I like vintage shit. That's why I like going to thrift stores and whatnot. But it's kind of hard finding things to be packed sometimes. So today I'm just gonna be taking out the dashboard, trying to finish taking it out. Started to, but didn't finish. And yeah, it was my first time being a little tricky, but yeah, I'm gonna try to do it today. I'm not putting out too much because there's not like a whole lot going on. The car season's dying down. The TSX is dead. We aren't. We're leveling up our PC setup constantly. Let me know if you guys want to see some like photography tutorials or how I edit my, you know, pictures or, you know, how-tos. Yeah, let me know, guys. And I'm also gonna be doing like gaming live streams. So yeah, that being said, like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned. Yeah, guys, this is basically what's out with the TSX. Like, you can tell the whole carpet's out. I still got the rear seats. If anyone wants them, grab them. 175. I can do 150. If anyone wants 150, come fucking grab them. I need to get rid of these stuff, guys. Yeah, this is gonna be kind of like the final views of being inside the TSX. I have been sad without this car, banging gears and whatnot. It's been highly missed. I missed like a lot of the end of the car season type of stuff because I was less motivated to go do things because I didn't have a car to really pull up in that's, you know, fun. You know, with what parts you guys want with the TSX, I'll try to do some discounts on certain things at this point just so I could get rid of everything. Doors, I could do like 120, 110 each. Just get rid of these damn things. It's a little depressing in here, honestly. This shit's all stripped. Next season though, coming back stronger. A lot stronger, a lot better. I really want something that's convertible. Really steering towards obviously the S2000, you know, Honda gang, you feel me? Love my Hondas, love the VTEC and shit. But I also want more power too off rip because if I get S2000, I'd have to boost it down the line. Yeah, I also was thinking about Corvettes. Corvettes are nice. They've been like growing on me a lot, like the C5, C6s, whatever. Sorry for boring with all this talking. Yeah, I'm about to start doing a lot of like live streams with the gaming and whatnot. I was just setting it all up. New webcam, so you guys can see this pretty baby killer face. Got a whole like mic stand, so a little bit better quality. Got a new desk my boo bought for me. It's a new like early birthday present. Oh, a new gaming chair too. Damn, getting it all. And we're constantly buying more things for the PC setup. I want to show you guys our setup after I like really get it organized how I want it. And I just want to start showing you like screen shares of like doing different videos on the computer, showing you guys how-tos and yada yada. Let me know what you guys want to see. Okay. I love you. I'm working under the dashboard. I'm taking out these screws. There's 4 of them. Taking out the last one. I don't know if it's part of the dash. I think it is. I'm seeing a diagram that looks like 4 things going up. So I'm taking it out, working my way around town. Alright guys, so far I got the cluster out. I got the 4 bolts underneath, 2 screws, which took out the cluster, which accessed me to 3 more screws to the dashboard. Yeah, I have already someone that was interested in this, so I don't know if it's gonna be for sale or not, or be sold by the time this video's up or you guys see it or whatnot. So yeah, but whoever wants a dashboard, I'm definitely not shipping this shit, but hey, if you're like 2-3 hours away, come through, pick it up.